Step inside our time machine and prepare for an unforgettable educational journey with World of Wonders, a hands-on curriculum program by PCS Edventures. In this creative engineering program, 1st through 3rd graders explore 5 extraordinary ancient wonders: the Great Wall of China, the Great Pyramid of Giza, Machu Picchu, the Roman Colosseum, and the Towering Redwoods. The adventure begins with imagination and creativity as students design their own time machines and time-traveling passports. These activities set the stage for a journey filled with discovery, innovation, and cultural exploration. At each wonder, learners explore the history, architecture, culture, and traditions of the people who shaped these iconic sites. Through hands-on STEAM challenges and art projects inspired by each wonder, they connect with the past in meaningful ways. From constructing towering redwoods and crafting intricate Roman mosaics to designing innovative solutions for ancient engineering challenges, each activity combines creativity, problem-solving, and cultural appreciation, making history come alive. World of Wonders goes beyond exploring the ancient world. Learners reflect on the world around them and discover that they don't need to travel far to experience awe and inspiration. They also learn how to become guardians of these wonders, fostering a sense of responsibility for the treasures in their own lives. World of Wonders stands out through our collaboration with 3 experts in culture and education. Dr. Sonia Galavitz, a Title I interventionist and educator in Boise, Idaho, is recognized for excellence in culturally responsive pedagogy by teaching tolerance. Gabrielle Velasquez is a member of the North Fork Mono Rancheria tribe with expertise in Native American culture, especially the Redwood region tribes. Finally, Stephanie Lumsden, a professor in Native American Studies at UC Davis from the Hoopa Valley tribe, brings her knowledge of cultural education and history. Each STEAM enrichment program comes with 12 one-hour lessons and materials for up to 30 learners. In your first box, you'll find an intro letter with a detailed unpacking list. You'll also find your digital resource license key with instructions on how to access the digital curriculum, lesson slides, and more resources. Your World of Wonders program includes a comprehensive instructor guide and printed student pages. The instructor guide makes it easy for educators of any experience level to prepare for each lesson. Aligned with NGSS, National Art Standards, Common Core, ISTE, Habits of Mind, and 21st Century Skills, World of Wonders is an all-inclusive kit that combines creativity, cultural awareness, and problem-solving into hands-on lessons. You'll receive everything your learners will need to complete the activities, including storage, markers, construction paper, crafting supplies, read-aloud stories, templates, postcards, BrickLab bricks, and more. World of Wonders is designed for turnkey implementation. Bring World of Wonders to your classroom today. Visit edventures.com to download a free curriculum sample or set up a call with one of our STEM program experts to learn more.